Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I realized somehow mysteriously my video with my project share and then my video of my tutorial gone. Poof, vanished. I have no, it's not on my phone. I thought I downloaded it to the computer. It is not on the computer. I am super bummed. So I'm gonna do a project share again, maybe a tutorial because I didn't even cut enough pieces to do like another tag. So anyway, Ida here, she's Createdtocreate on YouTube. She was hosting a Christmas tag swap. I missed Tamika Scrapped World swap. Then I missed Ida swap. And then I wrote on Ida's and I said, you know, I'll be an angel. I'll be backup for if somebody flakes or something. So a couple weeks or a week later, she messaged me and I got in because she did a little blooper and needed to create one more group, so I was willing to do that. Ida showed this gorgeous snowman lantern, so I was like, okay, she said you guys need to bring it, so I was like, okay, I need to bring it. So I designed two different tags with my cameo, my silhouette cameo. This little what's it called, Nutcracker, he took me about an hour to design, but I love the outcome. I was inspired by a Pure One Imports like figurine Nutcracker, and so I was like, let's make a paper version, you know. So I just did lots of glitter. I put diamond dust in his hair and on his boots, kind of like he's walking in the snow. I saw a lot of like seasoned crafters use this. Look at this. It's literally like glass almost. Like this would definitely hurt if it got in your eye. Should be called glass dust. But yeah, I was super stoked. Now I'm excited. That's like screams winter. Then I gave him a little like staff wand thingy. There's some glitter, I mean not glitter, sequin shaker bits in here, so they're kind of just like on him. Then I did some bling. And then the mouth. Normal Nutcracker has like a chomping mouth with teeth. I tried to do that, but it was way too intricate and tiny for my silhouette to cut it, so I ended up just doing like a marker, but I'm going to share the cut file down below and I will include a mouth on there. Then I just added this little pink feather to the very top. I just glued it down. Super cute. And I think if I like fix the cut file, I'm going to make these slits a little thicker because you're supposed to see the glitter popping through in the back. But yeah, he's super chipped, super thick, layered, like I think 3 times. So he's like chipboard. And on the back it says to from. Then this one, so I gave this one, I did this one, and I didn't know what my second design was going to be because part of the swap, which I will link down below even though it's closed, was to create 2 tags. They could either be the same thing, but I didn't want to burn myself out and do like a million nutcrackers. So I did 2 different tags. So I designed this one. I was inspired by a tag on AliExpress. So I was like, let's make it a little different cup, different, you know. And I wanted it to be just as snazzy as this one because this one had a lot of glitter and textures and fabrics. So I was like, let's make it a shaker somehow. Originally I wanted to make the chocolate part a shaker, but it wasn't working how I wanted it to. So I did a little heart shaker. You can see I did do the heart bigger down below so that some of the shaker bits fall down so it's not fully full all the time. So there it is, and there it is down at the bottom. Then I puffed up these little marshmallows on top. Super cute. The frosting, I thought I had every paper color, but apparently I don't. I mean the whipped cream. So I did like a creamish color and then white on top. I did want to do more of an off-white, but I don't have an off-white, surprisingly. Then this little candy cane right here. So that's all the paper elements, and I did layer one of the cuts like 5 times. I layered it 5 times with 110-pound chipboard to give it that thickness to create like a bowl basically for the sequins and stuff. Then I just tied some baker's twine around loosely, like just tied it, and then I did a little tag. That's a alinacutle tag. I love the shape of this. This is the tiniest one. It's about 1 inch. So I printed out the word joy 4 times, and then I just die cut it with that little die on there. And then I tied a little jingle bell, last but not least. At first I didn't have that, but it was like missing something. You know when something's missing something? I thought I wanted to put like a holly berry right there, but I ended up putting a little jingle bell and then some ribbon at the top. And then shaker bits, because I feel like that makes the package that much more special, I guess, you know. So then you guys saw my tutorial for the cigarette box. That's what I call it. I will link that down below. So I was trying to look for something that would fit these tags. I originally was just going to give them bag toppers and do something like that, but I was like, no, let's do something different. Let's put them in a packaging since they're two. So I knew my dimensions how to fit these two things. So it's 1 inch wide, and I have room for some goodies that I'm going to stick in there. And the little lid just flaps down like that. Oops. So these, I gotta wrap that. So basically this is what they look like when they're finished. I used a bunch of Dollar Tree like picks and stuff that I just hauled. 3 different Dollar Trees. This poinsettia, these little like, I don't know what those are, branches. And then these like hollyberry but in gold, like distressed leafed. And then this pink wired ribbon is from I think Michael's last year or Joann's last year, and like a really pretty pink. So yeah, that is my little tag swap for my partners. I gotta finish making these. And yeah, you guys go check out Ida if you don't know who she is. Like anytime she posts, I'm like, okay, what is she posting? You know, she's always just so creative. I will link her. She's Createdtocreate again. I will link her down below, and yeah, wait for her unveiling reveal on her YouTube, and you'll get to see her open and I guess her reaction to the packaging as well. All right, bye guys.